Hi, everybody. My name is Karen Cagg, and I'm the leader of the Aroma Cats team and a member of the Dream Builders team at large. And I just wanted to make this video to welcome you as a new member to Young Living. You should have already signed up with the Premium Starter Kit, and I want to congratulate you on your commitment to leading a healthier lifestyle and protecting your family from toxic chemicals. And you've got a Premium Starter Kit, and now you are ready to go. That's the very first step. What I want to talk to you about today is how can I continue on this oily journey until I have made a complete transformation in my life. I've been with Young Living for 5 years, and I've been building a business for 2 years, and it has completely changed my life. And so I wanted to help you get started. Most of us have to start slowly, so little baby steps. So this quick video, and I'm going to try to talk quickly and not keep you all day. This quick video is just to help you get started correctly. I'm looking around for share the screen. Yeah, okay. So I want to help you get started with this one. Here we go. I've just got a quick PowerPoint that will help, but actually you can get started pretty easily just from your virtual office. I'm going to turn this a little bit. Okay. Yes, so essential rewards are the key to a healthy toxin-free life, and you get lots of free stuff. Now, I'm a pretty frugal mama, so I'm all about saving money, and I want to help you do the same. So what is the Essential Rewards program? It is like a reward program and a cashback credit card put together. It's like your best frequent flyer program plus your cashback Visa card put together. It's how I can completely replace my personal care products, my cleaning products, all of my vitamin supplements, and do it pretty cheaply. So there are 3 levels. When you first get started, the first 1 to 3 months, you're going to get 10% of your order back in points that you can spend on free product. From 4 to 24 months, you're going to get 20% back. And then after 2 years, which is where I am, you're going to get 25% back. So, I mean, as a member, which was the best decision you ever made, by the way, as a member, a wholesale member of Young Living, you are already saving 24%. Now, after I've been in this program for 2 years, I'm saving an additional 25% because I get that back. That's like I get everything half price. So it's Young Living's way of helping the world step by step get into a healthier lifestyle. You also get easy monthly shipments. I don't have to worry about, am I going to run out of this because I go in and change my order and get what I need. I get discounted shipping. I get exclusive bonuses. The first thing you should do, though, people say, what should I get first? Hands down, the very next step after the Premium Starter Kit is to start yourself and your family on Ningxia Red. You can look for a program on Ningxia Red on my YouTube channel. It is the best, highest in antioxidant superfruit you can get. And that is my recommendation, is that everybody start with Ningxia Red. Now, in your Premium Starter Kit, in the very bottom part, you get 2 sample packets. Chill those in the refrigerator, drink them, and see if you can't feel the difference. I know you will. Okay, this might be kind of weird. We're going to watch a video within a video, but in your virtual office, if you go and click on member resources and then essential rewards, you will find, actually this is a really quick video, so let's listen to her for a second. And if you need a quick review without having to go to the YouTube channel, you can just go and pull this up, and you can share with others when they say, what is the Essential Rewards program?
Essential Rewards program is a special loyalty program that rewards you with free product and other perks when you purchase your favorite products each month. Essential Rewards is Young Living's way of offering extra rewards to loyal members. So why would you want to join the Essential Rewards program? The first 3 months you are on ER, you will earn 10% of your order back in points towards free product. From months 4 to 24 you are on ER, you will earn 20% back. After 24 months on ER, you will earn 25% back. This is huge. In addition to free product, you will receive loyalty gifts for ordering consecutively for 3, 6, 9, 12 months and beyond. After ordering for 12 months straight, you will earn an ER exclusive oil formulated by D. Gary. convenient way to order the products you love. Ensure you are never without the products you want by having your order processed automatically on the date of your choice and enjoy discounted shipping rates. Each order is also customizable, meaning you can pick and choose the products you want or select from discounted product packages. Qualify for exclusive income opportunities when you qualify to earn a commission by ordering on If you are building a business, PV Assistant will help ensure that you hit your desired PV level each month by allowing you to set up backup options should an out of stock situation occur. Whether you are building your business or simply using products in your home, Essential Rewards makes it more rewarding and easier than ever to order your favorite products. Spend your money more wisely on everyday products that support your family's wellness. For more information on the program and to enroll, visit the virtual office at youngliving.com.
Okay, great. So I just wanted everyone to know that that is in there to share with other people. And plus, she talked faster and had some music, and I don't think I could get all that in there in under 2 minutes as she did. But that's there. And look down here at 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, and 12 months. It tells you exactly what oils you're going to get. So after you've been on Essential Rewards for 3 months, you are going to get a free peppermint oil. And then you're going to bump up to getting 20% back. After you've been on for 6 consecutive months, you're going to get a Thieves, which is one of our favorite oils. And then after 9 months, you're going to get a big bottle. Notice that's not the 5 ml, that's a 15 ml bottle of tea tree oil, Melaleuca alternifolia. And after a full year, you're going to get Loyalty, which I just got mine and it smells divine. And no, you can't buy Loyalty oil. You can't get that oil unless you are an Essential Reward member. So it's just the best program that you could possibly hope to get into. So people say, great, what do I have to do? Well, you sign up and you have to order at least $50 a month. And if you have commitment issues, as I do, not just because I've been married twice and divorced twice and I've been single for almost 20 years, but I have commitment issues about getting caught up in one of these things on an auto ship, and then you can never, it's just a freaking nightmare. You can't make it stop, and you keep getting crap that you don't want. That does not happen with Essential Rewards. All you have to do is pick up the phone. Now, you can't go live chat and cancel, but you pick up the phone. The phone number is in your virtual office. You pick up the phone, you call, and you say, I have to get off of Essential Rewards. Make sure you spend all your points first. But I have to get off of Essential Rewards. They say, okay, fine, and they cut you off. No problem. And if that's too much trouble, just call the person that signed you up, and he or she will help you cancel your Essential Rewards. I don't think you will cancel, though. It's such a great program. So I would say start with Ningxia Red. That, to get 2 bottles like that, is $71 wholesale. So that's your $50 a month. Boom. And if you think, oh my gosh, that's a lot, well, you're going to feel so good, and just cut the $71 out of eating out cheeseburgers and soda and all the crap. You know, invest in your health and the health of your family. Here are some other suggestions, though. And I want to try to keep this short, but if to stay on Essential Rewards, all you have to do is order 50 PV, that's the point value, a month. And so I'm just going to kind of click through and show you some suggestions. The Ula Balance and Ula Grow, those are wonderful blends. They smell really good, and they help your body come into balance. It helps. It doesn't help you grow. Like, trust me, I don't want my body to grow. We have things for that too. But it's more in the sense of like spiritual, mental, physical growth. Those are 2 really good oils. There, that could be a month. Did you know you can cook with Young Living? Here's another month you could do. You could do einkorn flour. We also have pancake mix. We have einkorn granola, which is really good. But anyway, Sarah Harnish, who wrote the game plan, went through and just came up with here's some suggestions. So I'm just going to click through. You can get things to cook with. If you're having some emotional distress, here are 2 oils that you can get that are not in the premium starter kit, and I highly recommend Valor or Valor 2 and Stress Away. Stress Away you get, I can guarantee it's going to be, I'll bet lavender and Stress Away will probably be like your first oils that you'll, I don't know, maybe peppermint. But anyway, This Stress Away roll-on is great. You can just take it with you in your purse. That's a great thing to try. Maybe you need a detox. Well, you don't get grapefruit, so try grapefruit. Try detoxime. Um, and that's only $59.25. And what I'm trying to do here is just to show you some options that are around $50. I'm going to do another presentation on what to do when you can spend more. Because most of us aren't made out of money, so this is a way to get started. How can I change my life one little bit at a time? Okay, relaxation. Try the Peace and Calming or Peace and Calming 2. Of course, I like Peace and Calming 1 better, but either one is good. Did you know that we have a V6 vegetable oil, which is a really good? It's 6 different vegetable oils, and it's really, really good. It absorbs quickly. It's great for a massage. Try that. Get cleaning. Okay, personally, after Ningxia read, my second recommendation, and I'm telling you it's neck and neck, would be start with the Thieves Cleaner. But you can get started with the Thieves Cleaner and the laundry soap for $50 there. And that's going to last you a long time, so that could just be 1 month. I take all of my supplements I buy from Young Living. So these would be my 2, I don't know. Longevity is a big one. It's really good. But try Life 9 and Super Seed. That's around $50 to get you started. McDonald had a farm. Okay, what's not on this slide is that we just came out with cat treats, and boom, they sold out, so I didn't get to try any. But of course, you can tell with my team name being Aroma Cats that I love cats. But you can get stuff for your pets. That could be around a $50 order. Oral care. I always buy my toothpaste, mouthwash, dental floss, and then you could throw in some cough drops, which are the bomb diggity. Notice that we can actually call them cough drops. They have FDA approval as an over-the-counter medicine. They are great. So there, that's $50. Personal care. Get your shampoo and your deodorant. There. And if you think $50, wow, that's expensive. Have you priced the stuff in the salons? And it's full of toxic chemicals. Try this instead. Rock Your Body, the Sleek Tea. I love the Sleek Essence in some water. It's really yummy. It has, I like just lemon too. But the Sleek Essence has a little bit of stevia oil, so it's a little bit sweet and has a little bit of mint. It's really, really good. Try that. There, that's a $50 order. Okay, what I've done here is I've shown you, this is my essential reward, like a screenshot. And I just wanted to remind you that what you can do, look, I have $322.75 in points. That's $322 I can go in and spend. So I have another presentation that shows you how to redeem those points. But you click the Essential Rewards tab over on the left, see, and then you get, you get all of this information. You can change your processing date. I know that sometimes, I think the main concern is people get worried, like, I don't want to commit to $50 a month because what if I have to buy a new tire, or I'm a single mom, I'm always waiting for some fresh hell to explode in my face. And you probably are the same way. Well, you can change your processing day, I have done that, because I like to get it on the 1st, but sometimes, I have some other things I have to take care of first, so I can push it back. I can push my processing date back to like the 15th. Or if you need to get some stuff quickly, you can go in and process today. Now, the thing is, you can only do Essential Reward orders once a month because it's such a great deal. You're going to get free things back. Oh, I wish I could. Well, yeah, I guess I can show you that. Let me, how can I do this? Let me go to the previous slide. No, let me just end the show. Let me do that. When you are in your virtual office, and you have not virtual office. When you're in your virtual office, sorry about this. And here I am. Under Member Resources, this is where you can check. You will see every month the monthly promotions. Do you see that? You click on that. Okay, if you don't know what I'm talking about, look, this is November 2017. I don't know when you will be viewing this, but every month, Young Living comes up with a promotion. And what I'm talking about is $50. That's just to be on ER. And you're going to get the benefit of discounted shipping. you're going to get, with $50, you're going to get 10%, 20%, or 25% of that back to spend. Now, the next level up is 100 PV, and that is also pretty easy. If you're honest with yourself and say, you know, if I cut out some crap in my life and spend it on something healthy, when you order 100 PV instead of just the minimum of 50, you're going to get an Essential Rewards exclusive oil. That doesn't come if you do a quick order or anything else. This month, it's Christmas Spirit, which is one of my favorites. I diffuse it all year. So let me tell you, not just because I do a business with Young Living and I have to order $100 to get my commission checks, but I think you're a fool not to order $100 because you're going to get something free every time, and it's always something good, like a Christmas Spirit. And then I'm going to make another video to talk about these other levels. $190, and look, you're going to get 7204 back in oh look, because you'll get Christmas Spirit plus tea tree plus eucalyptus radiata. It's like those infomercials, and you're like, you know, but buy now, if you spend this much you'll get this, this, and this. But you know, honestly, it's a lot. I tend to spend $300 a month because I take orders from my friends who don't want to join for, I don't know, if they're just where they are. They're not ready to become a wholesale member. And it's easier for them to say, would you order me a lemon? Would you order me this? I'm like, sure, be happy to, because I get money back off of, besides the 24% that I'm going to mark it up, I get ER points back. So when I order $300, I get almost that much in free stuff. Look, this month, a 15 mil, that's the huge bottle of frankincense, plus pine, plus you get a Christmas tree ornament. They have really cool things. One month I got like the wool dryer balls from organic wool from sheep in New Zealand. I mean, they have really cool stuff. So this is a rewards program like no other. Anyway, so just to kind of keep this short, which I probably have already defeated that purpose. If you need help signing up, ask whoever signed you up to help. When you join as a Young Living member with Dream Builders, we put you in a group on Facebook called Dream Builders Resources, where we post recipes and educational information and stuff, so that you can continue to learn on this oily journey, so that you can have a healthy, happy life like we do. And of course, you know, you've got the free classes, like you've got this informational video that I'm making here, and I'm a mentor. Whoever signed you up is your mentor, and we will help you figure out what would be something good to order. That's probably the most common conversation I have with people on my team, whether they're building a business or not. Usually it's just customers. Most people are just customers. And so they'll text me and say, you know, this is what's going on in my life right now, and I'm getting ready to do my Essential Rewards order. Have you got any suggestions? And yeah, I'll give you some suggestions. We are all here to help you make this change, and we are so happy that you have at least made the commitment to start with a premium starter kit, but we want to help you take the next steps on your journey. So if you have any questions or comments, please comment below. And I think that's it. Yeah. Okay, so look for part 2 coming soon to a Zoom meeting near you. Okay, bye.